How to enable and configure maintenance mode in Wcart. From your Wcart admin dashboard, navigate to Settings from the left sidebar. Then, find and select Maintenance Mode to open the maintenance settings. To enable maintenance mode, turn on the maintenance mode option. When enabled, your storefront will temporarily display a maintenance page instead of the regular website. You can customize the maintenance page according to your store's requirements. Add a suitable title and description to let visitors know that your store is temporarily unavailable. You can also add an image or other available content to make the maintenance page more informative and match your brand. In the Page Background section, you can customize the background of your maintenance page. Choose a background image or change the existing background according to your brand style. Once you've configured the maintenance mode settings, review the information carefully. Click Save to apply the changes. Your store will now display the maintenance page to visitors while maintenance mode is active. When your store is ready to go live again, return to the maintenance mode settings. Simply turn off the maintenance mode option and click Save. Your regular storefront will then become accessible to customers again. Thank you for watching.